Okay. And Agusta. Checking battery status, fuel, service record 13.5, and it's good to go. So headers are titanium, as you can see it. The colors start changing, and it's a beautiful bike. It's a very beautiful bike. Single arm swing arm, carbon fiber cover. Those wing legs looks amazing. Brembo rotors, M50 caliper. Not Brembo, Olin's electronic suspension. Here's the cables if you can want to see it, both sides. Olin's dampener, that also electronic. There's a cable there. So the whole package, man, looks amazing. The bike is so small and nimble. Feels oh man, I'm riding a MV Brutale. Oh, shift is smooth. Oh, downshift, nice. Wow man, it feels so god nimble. It feels so nimble. It seemed like a rush. And it has a 208 horsepower. It looks crazy, looks badass. Sort of response. That sounds heard about RSC4, of course. This is stock exhaust. Wow, it has instant torque, you know. Even in low RPMs I feel the power. I'm hardly was 2000, 3000 RPM, and this bike wants to go. Let me adjust the mirrors. Yeah, now they're perfect. So fucking torquey. I'm at 4000 RPM. The screen is very tough to see it in bright. It's not bright enough, to be honest, and I have to look down to look the screen. Let's open up a little bit. Not bad at all. So we are in sports mode. And the bike feels so goddamn small, so nimble. We have to do our small test here. Wow, amazing man, amazing. So goddamn predictable, man. Oh man, getting closer, please. I want to do the tunnel one. Let's check the auto blipper now. Okay, yeah, it's auto blipper is there. Slow down a little bit. Nice. Handling is so goddamn amazing. But downshift is not that smooth. I have to press very hard. But upshift is smooth as fuck. Mirrors are not bad. This side is shaking a little bit, but the other side is very good. I can see the visibility is very good. Looks smooth. Bike is so predictable, man. I cannot even believe it. I will check the braking and turning radius for this bike. In low RPM, the bike doesn't want to bad, not bad. Holy crap, man, it's pulling so goddamn hard. A fun bike. Do we have a cruise control on this? We have a cruise control. Are you serious? No, we don't have it. Can I change the modes? Rain, race, sports, race, and yep, that's it. We change the modes also. It's so goddamn powerful, torquey, man. The bike is torquey. Only thing I didn't like it auto flipper. Auto flipper is hard. You have to push it a little bit hard to go down the gear. Okay, that side mirror is completely loose. Gearbox is smooth as fuck. It sounds similar to F3 800 which I was riding on one of my friend's bike. Sounds so similar, but this bike is way smoother compared to that one. I'm in a very relaxed position. My foot pegs are close to my body. It's a little bit aggressive compared to the other naked bikes, but everything is Brembo master cylinder, Brembo Ham 50 I think, and Brembo and steel brake lines, all in suspension, electronic, all in damper, and Brembo clutch, and the gear indicator is right here. The pickup is maybe the electronic is disturbing it. I will lower the electronic and I will check it. But now I'm getting hang of the quick shifter out of flipper of this bike. Handling wise is not bad at all. It wants to corner it. Rear brake is not bad at all. Let's go to my favorite location to click some photos. We changed the setting. Now we are in race mode. We changed the throttle setting. Now throttle response will be quick and fun. So let's go. Man, now we are talking. Now throttle response is there. Before it was way less. Now is there. still adding comfortable with the blipper. Blipper is really hard. Outside temperature 33. A lot of information on this DFT screen. Kilometers, temperature, fuel gauge, your RPM, your traction control, your modes. Wow. Second kV, powerful. It's instant. Like see, I'm on 5,000 RPM, almost 5,000 RPM, and let's say I'm going to pull it. Instant. It's fucking torquey. 208 horsepower, 100 and something torque. So the figures are there, man. The Milnex helped the bike to keep it down. That's for sure. Not even a single time the friend will come up. The front will come up a little bit. Since this is a short waist bike, of course the front will going to come up, but the electronic is really helpful. And even the wings, I feel it, man. The bike is so much stable. Since even if this bike is short waist, I was not thinking this will be that much stable, but it's goddamn stable, man. Let's keep it a little bit high. Let's see. Okay, bike doesn't want to stay in 1 RPM, but it's torquey. Second gear again. Nah, it's like bike is going and you're still there. You know, I get that feeling. But man, what a fun bike is this, man. Shit. If I have the money, I will buy it. For sure, I will buy it. And even I'm under 5,000 and it shifts so smooth. Not even one bulge or anything. But downshift, I'm not happy with the downshift, man. Seriously. What the fuck, MV? Fix your downshift. As all things are so much perfect. Oh, we have to turn. Nice, nice, nice. The headlight looks cool. I don't know how well you can see the dash. I'll a little bit tilt my camera now. So dash is nice. See? Let me downshift. I'm in the second gear now. I want to open her, but the push shifter is smooth. It's really smooth. And handling is unbelievable, and I was not thinking it's going to be as good as this bike handling. I'm in 6,000 RPM and it has the power of leader bike. It has the power of leader bike, man. Only the auto blippers I feel the complaint of this bike. Rest all thing is so goddamn smooth. I was not expecting that much. It's so smooth. I don't think so I will get the free road, so I'm going to end my video here. If you enjoyed, please hit the like button, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Peace out, take care, and ride safe, guys.